Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 7th November 2025, Aipasya Masam 21st, Friday, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadharado, Aipasya Masam, that is Tula Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 2:48 p.m. Didiyai, then Tridiyai, Bhrigu, that is Friday, Nakshatram up to 7:02 a.m. Kritika Nakshatram, then Rohini, Rahukalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m., Guliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m., good time 6 to 7:30 a.m., then 5 to 6 p.m., sunrise at 6:09 a.m. at Kerala, Chandrashtam for Tula Rasi. Today's Prayachittam Jangari, Sradha Tithi Dudiyam, and today's Radha Tithi Tridiya. Very happy to inform you that this video is 1001st video in our channel. From beginning itself, the support is given by our devotees. So happy to inform once again, this video is 1001st video we are uploading. Happy to share and subscribe from our channel for updates. Om Sri Matre Namaha.